Hello guys, welcome to Deep EduTech World. In this video, we are known how to make a barcode in Excel. Okay, for making a barcode in Excel, first install a barcode font. Okay, now see the how to install a barcode font. Okay, for install a barcode font, go to the any web browser. Okay, then write down the search box ID automation font. Okay, this, then click on the free code 39 barcode font. Okay, then scroll down the web page, then download now. Okay, then open the download zip file, open the idautomation.com free code 39 font folder, then click on the .ttf file for install, then click on the install. Okay, installation completed. Now I go to the Excel sheet. Now under the barcode cell, write down a formula for create a barcode. The formula is equals double minute comma open the first bracket and %, then after the open first bracket again double minute comma open, then and %, then select the code, then and %, then close the double minute comma, then close first bracket, then close the again double minute comma, then enter. Okay, then select this code, then go to the font type and under the font type search ID automation font. Okay, this font we have installed previously, so click that. Now automatically code created in barcode, then drag it for other codes. Okay, barcode is created. Now change the any thing under the code, the barcode will be changed. Okay, that is the easy way to create a barcode in Excel. Okay, thank you, and I share the link under the description box for barcode font type. Okay, thank you.